Solutions presents the view, Germany's grocery retail landscape for you. Market concentration, a systemic scale where discount reach and hypermarkets prevail. From the north to the south, the logistics are tight and evolving, digital and physical site. Ecommerce relay the cooperative force, Lidl and Kaufland, the Schwarz Group's course. In the retail landscape they hold the key, a concentrated market for the world to see. Soaring projections through digital space, Germany's grocery retail on a driving pace. Penny, Norma, Netto, the discounters align, T-Gut and Hit in a supermarket design, Kaufland, Bus and the Matra reach. An honor member lesson that the data will teach, net zero goals and the buy-organic trend, logistic and supply where the pathways never end. Blue Shark, digital eyes, 75% plus the power rise. Systemic, systemic, systemic. Ecommerce relay the cooperative force, Lidl and Kaufland, the Schwarz Group's course. In the retail landscape they hold the key, a concentrated market for the world to see. Soaring projections through digital space, Germany's grocery retail on a driving pace. Blue Shark Software Solutions, Germany's grocery retail landscape. Comprehensively mapped, the future is clear. Retail logistics optimized.